Back from the gym, I'm gonna make a smoothie. Let me show you what I'm having today. I posted a couple days ago or recently about this documentary I saw on Netflix about gut health, and they're recommending that you have at least 20 different kinds of fruits and vegetables a week. So I'm doing a little experiment. I'm just having different kinds of fruits and vegetables in my smoothie. Normally I just do berries, but I'm gonna try some different stuff today. Starting with, I always start with a couple ice cubes. I always put my liquid in first. Okay, so I've got some almond milk in here. These are the frozen Kelowna Supernatural Kefir cubes that I made. There's a previous video about that, but I'm gonna try some kiwi. Oops, I never eat kiwi. It's supposed to be good for constipation. So here's a chunk of kiwi. Mango berry mix. It is wild blueberries, mangoes, and berries. So this is going to be like a kind of tropical. Okay. I don't like to use too much fruit. So a little mango, a little strawberry. Okay. Woo! Spinach. A blender bomb. This is all my nuts and seeds, and it gives you all your amino acids. All these nutrients in one little bomb. I have a code for blender bombs. I'll put it in the caption. I'm just gonna crumble this up, stick it on top. I'm gonna add some vanilla protein powder. I'll blend this up and I'll come back and show you how it looks. Here we go. Looks a little green from the spinach. That's okay. Ooh, pretty good. Oh, I taste that kiwi. A little kiwi goes a long way. It's really good. This is definitely more tropical, kind of mango pina colada, but it's very good. Put the blender bomb link in the caption if you want it. Thanks for having my smoothie with me.